Hi everyone, this is Shivam from UpskillMafia, and we are here to teach you complete UI UX for free. We have something here for everyone, whether you are intermediate, beginner, or advanced. And so let's quickly start. You might be on this dashboard right now and watching this video. If not, you can just open this dashboard by use this URL upskillmafia.com/dashboard. Then just log in and you would land here. So this is the place where you would be learning complete UI UX, and here's the dashboard. Just quickly going through a dashboard before going to the campus. So this is the learning streak, wherein if you are coming daily and creating a streak, you can create a streak of 100 days, 200 days, and so on. So this would keep getting updated. Here again, the preview section of the campus. You might be watching here itself. Here you can track all the task progress which you will be doing in the campus, which I would just show you in a while. So you can track which tasks you have done, and you can also check other people's submissions so as to take a reference and keep a track. Here you can do weekly challenges. So we weekly host a few challenges, and you can just click here to view the task, and we announce the winner for every weekly challenge. So last weekly challenge winner was Saptagiri and his team, and you can view their work by clicking here. So this would open their work, the Figma file. So this is how you can participate in the weekly challenges. And here the upcoming events are hosted. So right now we would have a design hackathon from 23rd, and you can just register here from here. And this is basically the whole campus is the whole dashboard is about. You can then go to this campus and just click here, and you would land here. So this is a campus, as you can see it. I can just zoom in and zoom out using my touchpad or the mouse. I can also drag this campus anywhere, just like how you do it for an image. If I zoom in, you can see that here is this cute avatar of mine, and above which my name is written. I can just move it anywhere using keyboard arrow keys, or I can just double click anywhere on the campus and I would be taken there. Now you can see here's this aura around my avatar. I would just in a while tell its purpose. So this aura would is basically used to connect with anybody here in the campus. Now guys, this campus is basically a space just like how your real college works, where you can see other students moving around and they are doing different things, right? So here you can also see that there are quite a few students present here in the campus. You can just go to anyone and you would be able to talk to them. And this way we want to promote the whole concept of this peer learning, learning with the friends, so that you actually are engaged enough to keep learning in your UI UX journey. So now I can go to my colleague Akash, and I would be able to talk to him just like how you see. So I can just unmute my mic from here. At the bottom you can see there is this unmute option. So hi Akash.
Hello, Shivam.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also good. So you saw that as I went to him, I was able to connect with him, and this happened because of merging of these two auras of two avatars. And I can also turn on my video. I can also chat with him through here, and so on. Now coming back to the campus, this campus has basically three halls, as you can see: event hall, learning hall, and challenge hall. Event hall is basically the space where events happen, as its name. So hackathons or webinars or challenges, everything would be happening here. You can see there here is the stage where people can come and they would be just a minute. So Akash, can you come to the stage?
Yeah. Let's go to the stage.
So this is the place where thousands of people can come and they would be connected to each other. So you saw that I am not near to Akash and still I am connected with him. So if I would be in this green area, I would be connected to every person who would be inside. And the smaller version of these are these discussion rooms. As you can see, there are around 23 discussion rooms here. So you can go to any discussion room and any other person who would be here, they would be connected with each other and you would be able to talk to them. So these are the basic purposes of event hall. Now let's come to the learning hall. As you can see, here are small tables. You can like around 26 tables are present here, and on every table there is something written like task 0, task 1, and task 12. So the whole UI UX curriculum has been divided into these 12 tasks, wherein if you complete these 12 tasks, you would be learning complete UI UX from scratch to advanced level, and you would have your own case study with you after you would have completed these 12 tasks. So a complete case study is divided into these 12 tasks, and you have a whole path going from there. And you once you do keep doing these tasks, you would have at the end of task 12 you would have a complete case study. Okay, so now here you can see that there is this task 0 thing written here, and after that task 1 starts. So task 0 is to create a team. So mind you that these tasks need are group tasks, so you can't do them alone. You would need a team of 2 to 4 members to do these tasks. So you can just go to any table and then here you can sit with any other person and then do those tasks. So now Akash is with me, and we can open the task by clicking on this open apps button here at the bottom right, you can see. So you can just click here, and the dashboard would open up. From here you can watch the lecture, just double click here and you would be able to watch the lecture. And if you want to do the assignment, just you can open this assignment here and check this assignment. Now again, this assignment has to be done in a group of 2 to 4 members, and right now I am sitting with Akash, so I can do with him. And if you don't have any group members, you can go to task 0 tables. Here we have a basic task which you have to do solo, it's written here also. So you can just come anytime in the campus, do this task. Now how to do this task, you can again click on open apps button. Here you would see there's this lecture where you would learn how to create your first login screen. Like here, it's a 20 minutes lecture where we teach how you would be creating your own login screen. Once you do that, then you can attempt this task, wherein you just have to submit that login screen which you created, right? So here's the submission form as well. So do that task and then submit that task from this submission link. You can just open this form and submit it, right? After you would submit this task, after you submit this task, we would create your team with the other people who would have submitted this task, just like how TT and Ravi are doing this task 0. Once they submit the task, and let's say I am doing this task, we would merge the groups based on the compatibility, and then you can further do start from task 1 with those members and go on till task 12. So this is how it would work. So this was all about learning wall, just showing again how you have to access the task. You can either click on open apps button here, or you can just press X button. A dashboard would open up where you would see lectures and the assignments, and here is the close button at the top right. You can access the lecture from here. It's a drive link, so you can just open it in a new tab. So here the mentors would be teaching you how to create a login screen from scratch. Just learn it, and then you can just submit that task from this form. Here the group formation task. Just move below and then submit this the task, and that's all. You have to just do that, and after that our team will reach out to you and create your team. Don't worry about that. Okay, so this is how you would be learning in the learning hall. Okay Akash, let's move to the mentor room. So this is the mentor room. Now just to tell you, our campus is majorly live between 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. and other students you would also find them here at the same time, and mentors are as well live from the same timings. So if you face any kind of doubts about this campus, about the task, about anything related to UI UX or anything, you can just come here and you would find a few mentors in this mentor room, and you can take the feedback for the task or understand any doubt from there via the audio as well as the chat option. So this is how it would work for the mentor room. Now coming to the final place, the challenge hall. So this is the place after you have done the 12 tasks, or in case if you are a intermediate who already know the concepts about UI UX, about how to do user search and flow journey, etc., then you can directly start from this challenge hall. You can pick any case study. You can see that there are around 3 case studies present here: case study 1, 2, 3. You can go to any case study. Let's say case study 1. Here again I would just press open as button, and you would see this case study is divided into again 12 task assignments. It doesn't contain any lectures, so this is the basic difference from learning hall. And here it is expected that you already know the things, so you can attempt a first assignment wherein you would learn, you would be sketching on the on a one problem statement. So if we just click, so you would see a problem statement here. We are making a rack picker app. So you have to do this assignment. Once you do that assignment with your team again, then you can move to the assignment 2, then do the research and survey part of it, and so on. Once you would have done these 12 assignments, you again would have a case study with you. So if you are an intermediate or an expert, you can just come here and practice making case studies again with your team. So you can just make a team of 2 to 4 members again and do these case studies. So this is how it works. So to create the team again, the are the same. You have to just do the task 0 so that our team can get insights about you, and then create your team with the person to do the case studies or these tasks, right? Now, the final place that we have, the most interesting one, is this gaming arena. So you can just come to this gaming arena at the top right of the campus, and here you will be able to play multiplayer games with your teams. So again, you have to just press X button or the play games button here, and a lot of multiplayer games would open up, which you can play with your friends and enjoy with them once you are bored, if you are bored in the campus. So this is how this whole campus works. I know it was quite long, but yeah, trust me. Once you come here, you would feel like home, and you would enjoy a lot, and you would actually come here every day once you make the friends. So just try it. Everything is free. Nothing is paid here. So you get free resources, you get mentors, you get friends, you get projects, everything you are getting here for free. So just use it. So yeah, coming back from the campus to a dashboard. So here is the place where you would see the submissions which you would be doing in the learning hall, and you can keep a track of them. As soon as you submit any task, it would get updated here, starting from task 0 itself. And again, we would recommend you to keep participating in these weekly wise challenges, and also the whatever events we would host. And here you would be able to see the hackathon stuff, and here you would be able to participate in the internships once you do a few tasks in the learning hall. So this is how this whole campus works. All the best.